How Chris Evans spends his millions. Chris Evans is one of the most loved and successful celebrities in Hollywood. He acquired most of his acclaim and fame by working in many lead roles in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Chris gained much fame and popularity when he was first presented on screen as Captain America in the Marvel series. Chris Evans made millions of dollars working in the film industry, but how does he spend his massive net worth? Do you think he spends his fortune like a superhero? Let's find out. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. We are back with another hot topic for today's video, and today we are going to talk about the millionaire lifestyle of Chris Evans. So stay with us until the end of the video to find out more. Chris Evans has been acting professionally for 25 years and has more than 45 credits to his name. His first movie, Opposite Sex, was released in the year 2000, which led him to gain minor roles in movies and series. Through hard work and determination, Chris soon made it to the silver screen when he was first cast in Not Another Teen Movie. The world would come to recognize him as a celebrity. He later got another role when people watched him on the screen as Johnny Storm in Fantastic Four, released in 2007. Chris Evans took his popularity to another level while starring as Captain America in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Chris Evans is the highest paid actor in the MCU, leaving behind the other fellow Avengers. According to the celebrity's net worth, Chris Evans made $100 million from MCU until now and has amassed a net worth of $80 million. He has managed to double his net worth in the past 5 years and earned most of his income from the MCU. Although Chris is a reserved man who doesn't really like to show off his riches, today we are here with some amazing details about the purchases he made in the last few years. Now let's take a look at what one of the world's top paid celebrities spends his millions on. Over the past year, Chris Evans has invested heavily in real estate. One of the properties is in Beverly Hills, which cost around $3,250,000. It is a fantastic mansion with wooden floors, a large kitchen, and 3 bedrooms. The mansion also has a master suite with a large window that gives a glamorous view of Beverly Hills. The outdoor area of the mansion consists of a patio with a fireplace and a swimming pool. In 2007, Chris bought his first home, called the Hollywood Hills home, and this luxurious mansion cost about $1,260,000. The house boasts a glamorous view like his other house in Beverly Hills. Chris probably takes care of himself first and then focuses on other things, as he has hired a personal stylist, Ilaria Urbernati. His personal stylist, Ilaria Urbernati, is a very well-talented and graceful artist who also designed a dashing outfit for his Oscar award. In an interview with Hollywood Reporter, Ilaria Urbernati said she wants Chris to look like Prince Charming, and it wasn't easy to design his outfit for the Oscars. It took months to finish, but by charming looks everywhere he goes, we can say that he made the right choice hiring his stylist. In the past few years, Evans has put together an amazing collection of his dream cars, but most often he has been spotted driving his Jeep and a Lexus ES350. Unlike other millionaires who keep their car collections to boast their wealth, Chris Evans has a specific purpose for each car he buys. You probably haven't seen Chris Evans at the airport waiting in long lines. That's because the millionaire owns a private jet that he often uses for traveling and promotional activities for his upcoming films. Despite having a private jet, the actor also has enough money to rent one for traveling. Setting aside all of the other factors about Chris, his generosity toward other humans is most appreciated and loved. The philanthropic actor donates his wealth and time for numerous cancer patients, and he has donated nearly $5 million for the Christopher Haven fundraising program. He is also considered to be a real-life Captain America for many, as he knows how to spend his fortune for social good. So that's all for today, guys. Tell us what you think about our video in the comments section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and thanks for watching.